Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this truck, this one-of-a-kind truck, please give us a phone call or check out our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival 2020 Ram 1500 Crew Cab 4-wheel drive 5.7 liter Hemi. Guys, we sent this down to Rocky Ridge and had a limited edition package put on it. This truck has been completely painted. So that we painted it, well, what I consider a Mopar blue exterior paint color, which definitely looks great when it comes to exterior paint. This was originally a black truck, so some of the things we left the same as far as color goes is obviously you can see the black front bumper right there on the bottom and also the black grille. But everything else is this Mopar blue exterior color. Definitely looks good. 6-inch lift kit on this truck. It's another thing that Rocky Ridge did to it. And we also upgraded these to these hostile, completely blacked out rims. That's wrapped in a 35-inch tire. Definitely looks good. And that is a 22-inch rim also. Another thing we added that from the Rocky Ridge, we added is these nice louvers that are in the side of the vehicle. Definitely gives it a nice look right there on the side. As you can see, they did an amazing job with the paint job. I don't notice any flaws in it. And there again, even if you would notice something after you purchase it, the good thing about Rocky Ridge, real quick, it does have a step-up bar, help you get up into that bed. And when you're done with it, you just simply kick it up and it's hidden underneath the bumper. If there's ever any problem with or any of the Rocky Ridge product as far as anything that they have upfitted this vehicle with, the good thing about them is they mirror the factory warranty. So everything they've done from the rims, their tires, their lift kit, this one, their paint job, it's going to mirror the factory warranty. Whatever the factory warranty was, they're going to cover it on their end. So no need to worry about anything in the future when it comes to warranty issues when it comes to Rocky Ridge. They are one of the leading lift companies in the country for a reason. Also on the back of the truck, you'll notice all the badging is completely blacked out rear bumper. It's going to have the monitoring system, which is little circles running along the back bumper. Helps you in backing into them tight spots. As you can see, it does have the tow package on it, 4 and 7-pin wiring hookup, backup camera located right there on the tailgate, and as I just showed you a minute ago, it does have a spray-in bed liner. Dual exhaust with blackout tips on it, another nice feature. All in all, extremely hard to find. Limited edition Rocky Ridge truck. They only built a couple of these, which definitely makes it one of a kind. Definitely something that your neighbor does not have. No one in your city's going to have. Heck, no one in your state's probably going to have one of these. In the interior, we do have power side mirrors, power windows, and power locks. One thing also on the inside, once I open the door, I do have an amp research power running board that does pop out. So as soon as you open whatever door you open on driver or passenger side, front or back, that step does pop down. And these power steps are really nice, and I prefer them for a reason, because they actually do, when they come out, they are a little lower than their standard step-up bar you would have that's stationary on the side of your truck, which does help getting in and out of these lifted trucks. Upgraded floor mats with the Ram logo. That's a factory option right there. Power foot pedestals, automatic overhead headlighting, and this is a cool feature here. Upgraded, one-of-a-kind Rocky Ridge stitched leather seating with the Rocky Ridge logo in the back. Definitely an awesome upgrade seat. Very, very plush, very, very sturdy when it comes to that leather seat. It does fit absolutely perfectly. They did a great job. Also with this driver's seat, it is a power driver's seat with a power lumbar. On the left-hand side of the steering, we have all your controls right here to operate your instrument cluster located here in the center of the dash. You also have capability of Bluetooth or connecting your phone directly into this radio system on this vehicle, so you can answer your phone calls by simply pushing the button, carrying on the conversation through your speaker system. Cruise control on the right, and then on the back-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all the controls to operate the radio, whether you want to change your radio station or increase or decrease the volume. Remote start located or your push button start located right here. It also does have remote start. 4-wheel drive push button systems all located right here, and then it's a turnkey when it comes to your reverse, neutral, and drive. I put the vehicle in reverse. As you can see, it does pop up on the screen, your backup camera. This is a 12-inch touchscreen radio, AM, FM, Sirius XM radio on this particular vehicle. It does come with a free subscription when purchasing it brand new. It also comes with heated seats. So you have heated seats for your front driver and passenger with 3 settings of a high, medium, and low, and also a heated steering wheel. automatic or dual climate controls on this vehicle as far as climate controls goes, so you can set the passenger on a different temperature than the driver if you'd like, or you can sync them together like I simply have them right now. There's also an auto feature. By hitting the auto button, whatever your desired temperature that you have your vehicle set on as far as your interior temp, it'll take the interior temp to that desired temperature and maintain it. Bunch of Uconnect apps that are built in there, and this vehicle also does have a factory navigation system. Factory brake control from Mopar, nice feature to have. You have a tow haul button, and also your rear sensor buttons are located right here, rear and front sensor buttons, so you can turn them on or off as you wish. Very large center console, leather wrapped armrest located right here, and it does open up to a small cubby, and then a large one underneath in the back there. As you can see, there's a nice little cubby hole right here, right behind the cup holders, and this also slides back for more additional storage up there, and there's also an AC plug down there. There's also universal garage door openers. Up to 3 of them can be programmed at once. And just like the front, it does have the upgraded seating in the rear, and also the rubber floor mats also located right there as well. Another cool option that we added from Rocky Ridge, just to kind of make it a different truck. Like I said, it's a one-of-a-kind truck as it is. We got lock boxes in here, so we got a safe built in here. You could haul firearms if you'd like. You could haul whatever in the heck you want to haul in there, and there also is a lock and key, as you saw me take out, simply just right there. Really nice. It's hidden under the seat. You really don't even notice it's there. It's a really cool feature that not everybody has in their truck that we added to it. AC plug here in the rear, also USB plugs in the back, and also your vents for your rear AC and heat. So like I said, if you're looking for a one-of-a-kind truck, no one in your state's going to have this exact truck. This is the one for you. 2020 Ram 1500 four-wheel drive, 5.7 liter Hemi. Sent this down to Rocky Ridge. Had an awesome lift kit on it, 6'6" lift kit, 22-inch rims, 35-inch Mickey Thompson tires. And the list goes on and on. Power running boards, 12-inch touchscreen radio, heated seats, and I could just keep going on this truck. Upgraded leather seating, which is absolutely gorgeous. You guys, this is a one-of-a-kind truck. It's located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. We ship nationwide, so no matter where you're located in the country, we can put this vehicle in your driveway absolutely and easily and quickly, no matter where you're located. So like I said, if you want to see all the pictures of this and all in a full description, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button. Also give us a like. That way you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals, just like this one here today.